Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat Kitchen. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this video I will show you how to make mango pickle. As you can see, I have 6 mangoes. So the first step is to wash these mangoes and chop them in small pieces, but do not remove the outer skin. So you will chop them in small pieces like so, and then add salt and turmeric powder. And if you like, you can use raw mangoes only, or you can as well mix both raw mangoes and ripe mangoes. But the ripe mangoes should not be very ripe, and also they should not exceed the raw mangoes. So after adding salt and turmeric powder, leave the mangoes for around 8 hours or overnight. So cover them well and leave them for overnight or around 8 hours. And after that, place them in a flat space like a tray. And then keep them in direct sunlight for around 8 to 10 hours until dry. So as you can see, the mangoes after they have dried up, so keep them aside and continue the other preparations. So in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Leave them in the heat for around 30 seconds. And the purpose of doing this is to get rid of any moisture from the seeds. Then put the seeds in a dry grinder jar and grind to a coarse mixture. As you can see, the mixture is ready, so put it aside and continue the other preparation. In a pan, add oil, cooking oil, and then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Cook the garlic for around 30 seconds and then add the mixture and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. And then add the mangoes and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and mix well. As you can see, I have added turmeric powder because I found it not enough, and I have also added salt. So let the pickle cook for around 3 to 5 minutes, and after that the pickle is ready. As you can see, the pickle is ready, so you can store it in a jar or any container. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat Kitchen.